Hi there everyone. Today let's draw a hungry kitty. So let's start by drawing two circles side by side for the cat's eyes, two small circles inside, next I'm going to draw a small dot for the cat's nose. Now we need to draw a circle outside. Next we'll draw the kitty's ears. Now draw a shape like this for the cat's body and two U shapes for its hands. Now we are going to draw its tail. Its whiskers. Next we need to draw an oval shape. The cat is waiting for its food and we are drawing its bowl. Next draw a curved line below. And another curved line as I'm drawing. Next we need to draw a fish. The cat is thinking about getting some fish to have. Draw a circle around the fish. Can be an oval or a circle. And two little circles here. See, the cat is thinking. Now let's finish off by drawing some markings on its tail and head. Okay, hope you like this drawing. Please like, share and subscribe.